In this question, it is given that if the image of the point P having coordinate 1, 2, 3 about the plane 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 2 is the point Q, then the area of triangle PQR where coordinates of R is this, you have to find the correct choice. That is the meaning of the question is, this is a plane and P is the point coordinate 1, 2, 3 and image of the point P in this plane is the point Q, and R is a point somewhere in space, and you have to find the area of triangle PQR. The coordinates of this are 4, 10 and 12. Before I do this question, I will say, remember this formula that if there is a plane AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal 0 and this is the point X1, Y1, Z1 and this is the image point X2, Y2, Z2, then remember that X2 minus X1 upon A, Y2 minus Y1 upon B, Z2 minus Z1 upon C is equal to minus 2 into A X1 plus B, Y1 plus C, Z1 plus D upon A square plus B square plus C square. That is, if this point and the equation of plane are known to you, you can find the coordinate of image point with the help of this formula. Here the plane is 2x minus y plus 3z minus 2 equal 0. And P is the point coordinate 1, 2, 3. And first I will find the coordinate of the point Q. Let it be alpha, beta, gamma. Then using the formula which I told you just now, alpha minus 1 by 2 will be equal to beta minus 2 by minus 1 will be equal to gamma minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 9 minus 2 upon 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square. That is, I get alpha minus 1 by 2 will be equal to beta minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to gamma minus 3 by 3 equal to minus 14 by 14, that is minus 1. Therefore, alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 3 and gamma equal to 0. Hence, we have got a triangle with vertices P, Q, R. P is the point 1, 2, 3. Q is the point minus 1, 3, 0. And R is the point 4, 10, 12. Area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 PQ cross PR mod. Clearly, PQ vector is equal to minus 2 I plus J minus 3 K. PR vector is equal to 3I plus AJ plus 9K. And now PQ cross PR is equal to I, J, K minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3, 8, 9. This is equal to 33I plus 9j minus 19k. Now it seems that taking modulus of this is not an easy task, because for finding the area you require the modulus of this. But see what I will do. 1 by 2 PQ cross PR is equal to 1 by 2 under root 33 square plus 9 square plus minus 19 square. That is 1 by 2 under root 33 square plus 9 square plus 19 square. Note that presently we are dealing with objective questions. My main aim is to find the correct choice. I will check in this way that it is clear to me that the last digit of this is going to be 9. Last digit of this number will be 1. Last digit of this number will also be 1. Hence I can say last digit of this whole will be surely 1. And because this is the only choice having last digit 1, therefore this becomes the correct choice. If by chance there is one more choice having last digit 1, then also it is possible to use the smart ways. In those cases we use the method of digit sum, but presently that is not required. There are so many methods with the help of which, without calculating, we can find the correct choice.